In this video, I will show you how to fix fingerprint not showing in settings or fingerprint option is missing. Open Settings. Tap About Phone. Tap Detailed Info or All Specs. Tap Kernel Version multiple times until a hardware test menu opens. Scroll down and find Fingerprint Sensor Test. Tap Enroll and try using your finger on the sensor. If the test fails, your device likely has a hardware issue. Now go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap Apps. Tap Manage Apps. Tap the three-dot menu at the top right corner. Tap Show All Apps. In the search bar, type Finger. Tap on each fingerprint-related app. Tap Clear Data. Tap Clear Data and tap OK. Then select Clear Cache and tap OK. Then reboot your phone. Then open Settings again. Scroll down to Passwords and Security. Tap Fingerprint. Draw your pattern or enter Screen Lock PIN. Set up your fingerprint again. If your fingerprint setting is still missing after trying all the above steps, it's likely a hardware issue and you may need to visit a service center.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.